This video will go over how to do test correctives for matching portions of a test. Matching deals mainly with vocabulary or categories. So vocabulary, you have that vocabulary list usually on page 1 or page 2 of your note packets. Categories are going to be throughout a unit or at the very beginning of a unit. So for instance, world history, when we went over the phases of a revolution, you'll want to go back to that set of notes. For world and US history, if we're talking about the categories of analysis, you want to review the pegs: political, economic, geographic, and social. As with other test items, you do not have the answer provided for you when you get your test back. You'll know that it's wrong by a red X. Also, it will show 0 points given out of the points possible. So what you want to do with this one is, as with multiple choice, you want to incorporate the question in with the answer to form a complete sentence. You also want to explain why you missed that question, and I'll go into more detail on the submission video on how you do that, on what it is that I expect and why I expect a substantial response, an analytical response, as opposed to just I didn't study. So this test question here, this student has confused a tool of speculation for the definition of speculation. So what they're going to want to do is write out for their example: speculation is an act of buying stock at great risk with the anticipation that the price will rise. So you simply just add this word. Now you want to read through it because not all of the matching will behave that way. Next, they identified why they missed this question. I missed this question because I had forgot. Let me move this so the menu gets out of the way. I had forgot that margin buying is a part of speculation. You'll write that out both as complete sentences on a separate sheet of paper in order to earn half credit on this item.